How to show inventory quantity in stock on your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. It is actually a built-in feature in Shopify, so let's just go in and get to it. First, you'll need to just go to your online store, themes, and click on Edit Theme. From here, you simply just want to go to the top here, and we want to basically go to the default product page. So we just wanted to click on the top, like I said, home page, and then just click on products and select default product. Now in here on the left panel, we should be able to find template. Underneath template, there are going to be two things by default: recommended products and product information. We simply just want to click on the arrow next to product information. And then from here, we should be able to find details. Now beneath details, there's going to be an option to add a new block. Now we simply just want to click on that. And then if we just scroll down a little bit, we should be able to find product inventory block. So if we just go and click on that, it's going to add it in here for us. Now it's not really going to show the quantity for products with over 100 pieces because it's not really going to be important to show those. What's actually going to be shown is the low stock threshold, and you can set it up to be maximum 100. Or you can even toggle this off if you don't want it. Otherwise, if it's more than 100, it's just going to say in stock because, like I said, there's no use in having a large number. It's not really going to be enticing in any way. But I'm just going to save this right here from the top right corner and show you how it's going to look like for another product, which is low on quantity. And you can see when it's low quantity, it's going to show how many are left, up to 100. And if it's obviously out of stock, it's going to say out of stock. But yeah, this is pretty much how to show the inventory quantity on your product page on Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.